As of August 2024, Ethereum, ETH, is experiencing a pivotal moment in its market journey. Currently trading around $2,783, many analysts are speculating whether ETH can reach the ambitious target of $8,000. Ethereum has shown remarkable resilience in the face of market volatility. With a market capitalization exceeding $200 billion, ETH has established itself as a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Recent fluctuations have seen ETH prices range between $2,100 and $3,000, indicating a volatile yet promising market. Key statistics reveal that Ethereum's active addresses have surpassed 80 million, reflecting growing user adoption. The transition to a proof-of-stake (POS) consensus mechanism has also significantly reduced energy consumption, making Ethereum more appealing to environmentally conscious investors. Make sure to subscribe Token Tips now. Factors that could drive ETH to $8,000. 1. Technological advancements. This feature is expected to enhance transaction speeds and reduce gas fees, making Ethereum more efficient and attractive for developers and users alike. 2. Market sentiment. Positive sentiment in the crypto market can significantly impact Ethereum's price. If Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, continues to perform well, it often creates a ripple effect, boosting Ethereum's price. As institutional interest in cryptocurrencies grows, this could lead to increased investment in Ethereum, pushing its price higher. 3. Institutional adoption. The influx of institutional capital into the crypto space is a crucial factor. Major corporations and investment funds are increasingly recognizing the potential of Ethereum, which could lead to substantial price increases. If Ethereum can secure partnerships with prominent companies or integrate into existing financial systems, it could attract a wave of new investors. 4. Regulatory developments. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies is evolving. Favorable regulations could enhance investor confidence and lead to increased adoption of Ethereum. Conversely, unfavorable regulations could hinder growth. Keeping an eye on regulatory news will be essential for predicting Ethereum's price movements. 5. Broader economic factors. The overall economic environment, including inflation rates and interest rates, can influence cryptocurrency prices. In times of economic uncertainty, investors often turn to alternative assets like Ethereum, driving demand and potentially pushing prices upward. Historically, Ethereum has experienced significant price surges following major upgrades and positive market sentiment. For example, after the merge in 2022, ETH saw a substantial increase in its price. Analysts predict that if the Denkin upgrade is successful, Ethereum could see a similar bullish trend. Looking ahead, price predictions for Ethereum vary widely. Some analysts suggest that ETH could reach between $3,500 and $5,200 by the end of 2024, while others are more optimistic, forecasting a price range of $5,200 to $8,666 by 2025. If Ethereum can maintain its upward momentum and capitalize on technological advancements, reaching $8,000 could become a reality. From a technical perspective, Ethereum's current price action shows promising signs. The cryptocurrency is trading above both its 50-day and 200-day moving averages, indicating a potential bullish trend. If Ethereum can break through key resistance levels, particularly around $3,000, it could pave the way for further gains. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is also a crucial indicator to watch. Currently within the neutral zone, the RSI suggests that Ethereum is not overbought or oversold, leaving room for potential upward movement. If market conditions remain favorable, a bullish crossover could signal a strong buying opportunity. In conclusion, while Ethereum currently trades around $2,683, the potential for it to reach $8,000 exists, contingent upon several key factors. Technological advancements from the Denkin upgrade, positive market sentiment, institutional adoption, and favorable regulatory developments could all contribute to a significant price increase. As we move further into 2024, investors should remain vigilant and consider both technical and fundamental analyses when making decisions. The cryptocurrency market is inherently volatile, and while the prospects for Ethereum are promising, it is essential to approach investments with caution and informed strategies. Ethereum's journey is far from over, and with the right catalysts, the dream of an $8,000 ETH could very well become a reality.